Yo, 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 what's going on, vatos locos? If you guys don't follow Vasile Garage, man, check his shit out, bro. I spent a good couple hours this morning watching his build on the Integra. That shit goes hard as fuck. I love his dedication. I love the way he does things, the details, having his family on hand, on board with the build, and man, that guy, I admire his garage. Daniel, if you're watching my shit ever, bro, I love your shit, man. So, today, clear driveway. Not sure what I have planned for today. It's like 2 o'clock right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the street racing videos. It may be kind of boring, but I didn't really do much this week. And I had to kick something out to hold you guys off for a minute. And I have not yet touched the wagon, and obviously I still got the CRV. I have the RSX still. I need to get rid of that before I do anything. And then I got my Whut sitting over there as if it is a junkyard or something, you know. So my goal today is to make this place look less of a junkyard, but I'm not 100% sure how I am going to go about doing that. But first, the CRV is ready to rock and roll. The RSX had a new battery. I took that, put it in here. Now the CRV turns over without an issue. It drives amazing. Still got that click-clacking noise. And I think what I am going to do right now is move the CRV up, take off the wheels. I watched a video on YouTube on how to diagnose your issues with whatever can cause a clunky noise. And I know a lot of you guys commented saying that the links are a huge culprit to clunky noise in these years CRV, and I think that's what I'm going to do. Check the links, see if they have play, the ball joints, the upper ball joints, all that, see if they have any play. And if they do, we're going to go to VaTaZone and buy all the new shit to try to change all that out today and sell the freaking thing. I want to move my gray CRX kind of out of the way over there, and I want to move it up to the front right here. I can push the truck back about, I don't know, like 2-3 more foot to the mailbox, and then I'll pretty much have from right here to about 3 more foot that way to store the CRX right here. Another thing I want to do today is flip this car around, so we're gonna have the engine nose facing this way, but then again, I'm not sure if I want this to sit here or if I want this to sit here. Because if it sits here, it would have to be stationary, so that way we can still walk around, whatever. Or I should just leave it there, so that way I could just do whatever I need to do with this car here and have it out of the way in case I do like customer's car or whatever right here. A lot planned. And because I still have this RSX, I've been calling around and thinking long and strong about this process. I think I may be doing a right-hand drive conversion on this RSX. It's such a clean car. I don't have it even parted out, and I don't want to send it on its way to the yard complete as is. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a half clip, weld in the half clip. It's the wrong way to do it, but I've seen it done with success every other time with a lot of my friends, shops and stuff like that, doing it the half cut way. That way it'll replace the messed up frame, and we'll have a rolling clean title RSX right-hand drive shell. And if that ended up being the case, I'll sell it as a shell or maybe have a new daily. All right, I got a little comfortable under here because it's nice and breezy. It's hot out today. I noticed this bushing right here is completely shot, and if you rock the engine, you can see it moving fairly freely. And the upper ball joint is pretty banged up, but it doesn't have like movement like Carrie's car where the ball joint moves up and down. It's pretty firm up there. But the noise that I'm hearing is the sway bar bouncing around every time I'm driving. And I checked the sway bar end links. They do have play in there. I don't know how old the bushings are or how bad they are, but they have a little play over there as well. I took my pry bar and kind of shook it around. The axle actually has a lot of play itself. that it has side to side. You guys can't see it because I'm shaking too, but I don't think the axle is the issue. I might just go buy the links anyways because it is cheap and easier to replace. I'm gonna do the front and the rears. You guys can see I got no drive shaft on it. That's why it was so cheap. But I don't know. I'm probably just gonna replace parts and do process of elimination, see if it helps. If it doesn't, further, you know, check other places. So I was supposed to go to the store and pick up the links and stuff, and I called a buddy of mine that works at O'Reilly's, and he said the import direct stuff is $104, which I don't have for this freaking car. And he got me a cheaper deal on the Master Pro stuff, and I'm not worried about the best quality. I'm just looking for a replacement so I can sell the car without the click-clacking and the swaying of the car. So he's gonna hit me back up. He already ordered all the stuff and fits the budget, so I don't have to go out there until he tells me to go out there. Otherwise, right now I am going to be flipping my wagon around, so that way maybe start taking parts off of it or something and get it ready to be pulled and stripped of the engine and the interior and all that as the days go on. I'm not going to put the CRX in the corner over there just yet because I still got to prep that car for the race at the end of April. So I'm going to leave it there for easier access to work on the car instead of pulling it back out of the bushes and then working on it. So I'm going to flip the wagon around, and today's agenda is kind of going in circles. The bag, furniture, blanket, and the car cover definitely protected the paint because I pulled it off, and golly, it's still stupid shiny. Barely any dust. You can see it right here. Like, that's freaking amazing. Anyways, so got the car pulled up. I'm not gonna work on it today because Michael just showed up right there, and I'm gonna be doing suspension on his IS. But while I was waiting for him, I popped the hood and just kind of like take a good look at this. Like, you know, have you ever like been at that point where like you just, you know, you stand and you stare at your build and like you can't believe this is yours and that you put it together? Like I know I used the word like, but and a lot. So but yeah, man, like I'm standing here just looking at it like, fuck, this is my car, you know. So I pulled this bad boy up because I wanted to show you guys the whole thing about this build, the color. This is supposed to be a mini-me of that car. Now I threw my slips on as well. You can obviously see they look near identical. Gray everything, black trimmed everything. Spoon SW388s, Rhd Slipstreams, and I think what I'm going to do is when I go to Fontana, I'm not going to be running the VMSs on my 24s for the wagon. I am going to be swapping out the 23s to the VMSs, and then I'm going to take my 24s and mount it on the slips, and then put the slips on the wagon when I run at the track, because I'm not going to be bringing my skinnies. I am going to be running my spoons in the rear with the slips in the front, so it kind of matches. Oh shit, it's fucking recording. Hey, what's up guys? So got started on the IS300 right here, and I already pulled out the front suspension and all that good jazz. Here we have BC Racing, and this is what we're going to be replacing those junk with. And not sure how we're going to adjust this because I don't remember if these are presetted or not. We're going to max them out, and then we're going to raise it up accordingly. Eric came by. He just took off the street slicks off his car to that douchebag that keeps talking shit about my driving and building cars and not knowing how to race. I just banned your ass, so fuck you. Wait, he's not going to be able to see this video anyways because he's banned. I always carry a razor blade because you never know when you're going to need it. Let's open this like it's Christmas, even though I don't really get anything for Christmas. Ooh, that BC Racing tape though.
Oh my god, how are you gonna put a box in a box? What the fuck? That's right, I didn't let Michael open this, I opened it. How are you gonna have another box in the box in the box? Oh, never mind, it's just a cardboard. Hey, this is your product warranty number. Keep that, send it in if you have to. Register the suspension to your name. I never do because I don't give a damn. Damn!
Shit, hella cheap.
I can't imagine how much the shit moves around in the fucking box, bro. You can tell because look at all that dingle holes on the cardboard. But damn, these look hard as fuck, dude. Why is it that the front and rears look the same? Well, the pillow tops are different, but the bottoms are somewhat the same. Let's put the front in the back and the back in the front. Let's see how that does. Damn, fool, I can see how much adjustability you're gonna have on this thing. Anyways, so yeah, let's get this all set up and put it. Dude, look at these springs, man. What spring rates on these? Anyways, let's get them installed. Fucking carry ass right there. Fuck. I'll show you guys when I get home. This guy is fucking something else. Look at this bullshit. Hey, that fucking that strut bar held up. Shit, guys, sorry for the late post. So I finished Michael's car and he just took off. We're gonna adjust the rear suspension a tad bit more because it is a little bit raked on the rear, and but he just went home, and I'm gonna work on Carrie's car a little bit, kind of button up a few more things and repair a couple things we found out the other night racing, and get him on his way too. It's about 8:30 right now, or 9. Or why is there a bunch of blood in there? Oh no, that's red Loctite. Never mind. Right there. Thought that was blood from my finger, but it's not. So yeah, I'm gonna button up his car real quick, and then I'm gonna close out the night because I feel like I've been rolling around in dirt.
This is jack off night.
It's your jack off night. So what had happened was his relay and switches and stuff at the switches on the console right there. You guys can't see it because it's dark. The wire moved around back and forth a lot from when he you know, depressed the pedals and shit, and moved the power wire for the fuel and seesawing itself on the metal where the power wire was grounding itself out, and pretty much fried the wire all the way up to right here because I didn't have a fuse on it. Now I rewired everything, all brand new wires, and added a third fuse for the power. So once it detects, you know, shortage again, it should pop that fuse and not feed a consistent power wire to the relays and all of that. This car now turns on. The relay is not hot anymore. The fuses are all good. It's a 30 amp, but Carrie's car is done. He needs to check his oil a little bit. The day came through. He got me all the parts I need for my CRV tomorrow. I'm gonna start working on that. So 9-4 is going to DRN in Fontana tomorrow, which is Friday, and I'm not gonna be going. I'm actually gonna stay home and start working on the wagon after I finish the CRV. I'm gonna try to get the car on jack stands and start tearing everything apart on the wagon as much as I could. Start prepping the engine. I still gotta go buy degreaser, brake cleaner, and all that good jazz to get the motor nice and cleaned. And obviously I'll talk more about that when we get to the video, but I'm really tired. Michael hit me up. He said the IS300 on the BC Racing Coilovers rides really cherry. And I'm hoping that Carrie's car is going to ride cherry going home as well. So that's going to be pretty much.
Hey, Carrie's with his teammates, you know what I mean?
Shut the fuck up! What the fuck is all these washers?
Because it's stripped, fool. That shit's stripped as fuck. This one's stripped, that one is stripped, that one back there is stripped. But I put
block, or is it the both?
the block. I don't have the time surf for it. I have everything but the 17.
Oh, we have that
17. No, not helicoil, time surf. But anyways, I'm pretty much gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'm fairly tired. I can honestly say I am tired. And hope you guys enjoyed this random today. The CRX, the CRV, the wagon, Michael's car, then Carrie's car. If y'all think Carrie is sexy with that chest hair, give this video a like.
Stick around for some more random shenanigans, man, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces.